S3 is one of the oldest and most mature service from AWS, and yet AWS continue to evolve it and improve it. They have just launched dual-layer server-side encryption with keys stored in AWS KMS. It's a new encryption option in AWS S3 that applies two layers of encryption to objects when they are uploaded to S3. DSSE-KMS is the abbreviation of this new encryption option, and it is designed to meet National Security Agency CNSSP 15 for FIPS compliance and data at rest capability package. The Data at Rest Capability Package, or DARCP version 5 in short, it's a guidance for two-layer of CNSA encryption. Now, with the help of this DSSE KMS, you can fulfill regulatory requirements to apply multiple layers of encryption to your data. The great thing is that AWS S3 is the only cloud object storage service where customers can apply two layers of encryption at the object level and control the data keys used for both layers. DSSE makes it easier for highly regulated customers to fulfill rigorous security standards such as US Department of Defense customers. With DSSE, you can specify dual layer server side encryption in the put or copy request for an object or configure your S3 bucket to apply DSSE to all the new objects by default. You can also enforce DSSE KMS using IAM and bucket policies. Each layer of encryption uses a separate cryptographic implementation library with individual data encryption keys. DSSE KMS helps protect sensitive data against the low probability of a vulnerability in a single layer of cryptographic implementation. DSSE KMS simplifies the process of applying two layers of encryption to your data without having to invest in infrastructure required for client-side encryption. Now, with this new feature of S3, AWS S3 now offers four options for server-side encryption. The first one is server-side encryption with S3 managed keys, which is SSE S3. Then we have server-side encryption with AWS KMS or SSE KMS. Then we have server-side encryption with customer-provided encryption keys or SSEC. And now we have dual-layer server-side encryption with keys stored in KMS or DSSE KMS. I hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or feedback, please put them in the comment. Thank you.